Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AXOCRAK Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful and efficient. The AXOCRAK Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is equipped with a high-performance motor and 5,200 mAh high-capacity rechargeable batteries, providing 150 psi/10.3 bar of airflow and several use cycles for fast inflation. Versatility. The AXOCRAK Tire Inflator has 4 preset modes for car, 22 to 51 psi, motorcycle, 26 to 44 psi, bicycle, 90 to 140 psi, and basketball, 4 to 16 psi. And can be customized from 0 to 150 psi to meet any pumping needs you may have during use. Automatic and safe. Once the preset pressure is reached, the air pump will stop automatically to prevent overinflation and ensure safety. The portable air compressor is equipped with a high-precision chip to ensure the accuracy of the tire pressure gauge. Real-time display of pressure values is easy to observe and operate. It gives you peace of mind while traveling. Emergency light. An emergency LED light on the top of the air pump provides you with a source of light when your surroundings are dark, as well as a convenient way to inflate and change tires in the dark. Meanwhile, the air pump is also equipped with an emergency SOS light, adding safety and security to your journey. Convenience. The AXOCRAK Tire Inflator features a compact hexagonal safety design with the inflation tube hidden inside the pump body. It comes with a storage bag for easy carrying. Weighing only 380 grams and measuring only 60 mm in diameter, this cordless tire inflator is a must-have for drivers, bikers, and those who love the outdoors. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.